What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. This is the iblockcube power socket 3000 watt. Comes with 4 USB sockets, 6 ordinary sockets, electronic micro switch. It's got overload protection and it's high flame retardant up to 750 degrees. Say you bought something from the USA, you can use in this socket and you don't need to buy an English plug. So there is all of iblockcube's social media accounts, and you can search them on Google obviously, so be sure to check them out. But we're going to open this box now, take a look at it, plug some stuff in and see how good this really is. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So let's take off the packaging. Okay, so let's jump in, let's crack on with the unboxing experience of what you get inside the box. Okay, so nothing else inside this box. Let's place that to one side. 24-month warranty card. Inside this bit, I'm assuming, yeah. Okay, so nothing else in this part of the box. And there is the iblockcube. So you got your standby button on the top, nice and clicky. 4 USB down the bottom right here, and your plug sockets right here. I've got an electronic toothbrush which uses 2 prongs, so this will be perfect for that. I don't need to buy a US or any type of adapter now, especially for the likes of shaving stuff too. Plug it in and away you go. But okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to actually try it out. I've got me electric toothbrush with me, which uses this 2-prong setup, so we're going to try it in this and see whether or not it works. And I've also bought along a USB style one, so we can also try that out too, just with using the USBs. Using this little speak and puck right here to test out the wireless charging capabilities without actually using a plug. So without any further ado, let's just jump in. Let's check these out. The 2-prong toothbrush charger right now. So I'm assuming it goes in that one, plugs in like so. Grab the toothbrush. Okay, so we push the button like so, and boom, it's now charging the toothbrush. So now we move on and we will plug in the wireless charger. Okay, so toothbrush is still charging, USB plugged in to the wireless puck from Spigen. We've got S21 Ultra, currently at 97%. Down, turn it off, place it down like so, and boom, it is wirelessly charging. So blue light on the front. If we turn it off, place it down, blue light on, it's charging. This works absolutely fantastically. As I said, all them various countries out there that, you know, the EU, the US, China, you know, there's other sockets out there which you can plug into this. So you don't need to worry about buying this to work in your country. You just literally buy something like this, you plug everything you want into it. You know, you may buy cameras while you're away, you may buy various bits and pieces like toothbrushes, etc. and you want to be able to charge them. This is what you need to buy. So there'll be links in the description down below to where you can pick one of these up for yourself. But yeah guys, I mean that's superb. I do like that. Plus the fact if you ever want to switch these all off, if you were going out for the day, do that and it is absolutely turned off. You don't need to worry about turning the plug off, and then when you come back in, click the button, everything is back on charge. But as I said, I'm going to leave links in the description down below to where you can pick one of these up for yourself. Be sure to let me know if you do, or if you go and check it out. It's pretty cool, solidly built. You're not going to go wrong with something like this. But thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Like if you liked it, subs if you loved it, turn those notifications on, and I will see you in the next one. But for now guys, thanks so much for watching. See you all soon. Am I going to do it? Yeah, I will.